Hi, I'm William from Wondershare Virbo. Virbo is an AI video generator that allows you to transform text into captivating videos in just minutes, supporting over 120 different voices and languages. Today, I'll show you how to convert text to speech in Wondershare Virbo for any type of video projects. Let's get started. Step 1. Select the voiceover. Firstly, go to free download Virbo application on your mobile phone and launch it. Once inside the app, go to text to speech. Here you will need to select the specific category to make the voiceover sound the way you want it to. You can use the genre, country, language, and emotion filters. Once you have selected that part, click on Convert Now. Step 2. Creating the text. You can select any of the 120 different languages and voices that Virbo has for your projects. Once you have selected the language, place the script you want to convert to AI voice. You can also change the voice style if it is not to your liking by selecting Change at the top right. Step 3. Language. If the text you want to convert to voiceover does not match the language of the speech, you will be prompted to change the corresponding settings where you can choose the language that corresponds to the text. Step 4. Create the video. Once you are ready to create your AI video, just click on Create Video to continue the process. Here you can choose whether you want a vertical or horizontal format. Once inside, you can make all the necessary changes to create the perfect AI video to your liking. You can see the possible result in the preview option. Once you are satisfied with the final result, you can select the export option to save the final result. Virbo will then utilize its advanced AI technology to transform your text into engaging videos within just a few minutes. Isn't it incredibly easy? Give Wondershare Virbo a try today.